If you are watching this right now, that means something has gone horribly wrong. We're about to review this Vtol right here from ZMO, like Edge T3. It's got some cool video systems in here. I do need to do the bench part, but I want to know just how well does it fly, and I have to say, I'm kind of concerned. This is going to be my first time with ArduPilot and setting up Mission Planner. We're going to put it up in the air now. I've tried to learn as much as I can, and I'm hoping we get this back so then I can do my proper video. But if you're watching this now, things went terribly wrong, and well, at least you get to see what happens. So let's do it. Let's fly it, and fingers crossed we get it back. It's very uncharted territory to me, but let's do it, have some fun, and just see how we go with this. Like, it looks awesome.
Look at it, yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, let's do it.
Good luck, Stu.
Thank you. Some GPS locks and everything. We've got like our compass. It's got an airspeed sensor in here. And the idea is we're going to put it into takeoff mode. It's going to take off. I'm going to flick some switches. I have them written down on a piece of paper, and then it's going to turn into like a fixed wing plane. And then I am hoping that I can flick a switch. It will loiter around us and then land itself. So we'll see just how accurate it is. All right, all right. So let's turn, we're going to plug it in. Give it a minute to get some satellites. It is a pretty nice airframe.
It's a beautiful design.
All right. So while that's doing that, let's set up our Edge 3 video system. It has like an inbuilt battery.
Yeah, does that kick in, like if you lose your goggle battery or something goes flat, does that just keep reception so you can jack back in another battery in your goggles?
Yeah. So if you're running this to an external monitor, it doesn't matter whether that's on or off, this is always connected as long as this has power.
Okay, yeah.
I do wish this had DVR though, like on board, a little space for a SD card, because at the moment, the only way we're going to do this is if we get this back and the SD card in here is actually working.
So you can't record from your goggles either?
Not through, because it's HDMI in, so my goggles don't do that. Okay. Let me just get your help here, Steve.
Yep.
SD, so this is emergency return to home.
Okay.
The other side is like come and loiter. So the two outsides, loiter, come and save me. Return to home, I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
And then this is for my compass. I'm not going to mess with that.
Mm-hmm.
And this is what turns it from a drone to a wing.
Okay.
So
that's like your modes.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So what's my arm mode then? When I'm like ready. Oh, I think it's actually in drone mode. I can just arm now. Do you know what I mean? Like it's in quadcopter mode.
Yep.
It's over there. It's ready.
Okay.
And you're going to love the arming of this. So you ready? You have to like...
Oh, it's like DJI.
That should arm it.
They're twitched. Yep.
Okay, we're in
stabilized
mode. Okay, wait. What's the one that turns it back to a plane? Wing to plane, this one.
This one, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, dude.
All right. It's drifting a little bit.
That's what I can find.
Yeah, but it's not really in like a GPS lock mode, or is it just breezy up there? Like, do you see the angle I'm on?
Yeah, a little bit.
I will go a bit higher.
Yeah, he's starting to drift out a bit now.
Yeah, that's like full stick forwards.
Is it?
Yeah, look at that.
Okay. So maybe there's a setting for position hold we need to figure out. What's your yaw like?
All right, are you ready? I'm going to hit the plane switch.
Okay, make sure you get the right one.
Okay, can you flick it for me actually?
Yeah, tell me when you're ready.
Yeah. Did you flick it? Oh, that's in loiter mode. Which one did you do? What are you doing? Tell me. Talk to me.
I'll just flick the switch you said was your modes. SC from drone to wing.
Yeah, it's in return to home mode, so flick that back away now. I don't want that. Get rid of it. Is it back up?
Yeah. You got the wrong switch written down, dude.
It's trying to land itself. So is it going to land on us? You let me know.
No.
I'm not in control anymore.
That's all good.
Okay, let's have a look.
Bro, success. Look at her.
Oh, okay. I feel good about it. So you switched SC.
I did, yeah. And it started doing GPS stuff.
All the way down?
Oh, look at that.
All the way down?
Yeah, both.
All right, let's
look at that.
Does it disarm now? Is it going to disarm itself?
Uh-oh.
Disarm.
Hey, that's your battery to unplug, mate.
How do I turn this off? All right, come on. We should be good, right? That should be disarmed. Disarm for me, drone. This ain't great.
Oh,
Well, I don't know why that worked.
that one. What number's that?
Oh, that was my return to home
SD.
switch. So that like saved that, if that makes sense. Like that was like, we must have flicked that to return to home.
No, I didn't touch it. I only did SC, right next to it.
Okay. This should be turn it into fixed wing mode.
It didn't, it just went weird. You said it went to loiter mode?
Yeah.
I promise you, bro. Actually, I've got video proof.
Okay.
Just so everyone understands what I'm working with.
Yes. You flick this all the way down.
Yeah, I did first stage.
Yep.
And it didn't do anything, you didn't respond, so I did it all the way.
Look at this. See, it's going to wing mode. And back up to normal mode.
So what happens if you just flick it one? Or maybe it was...
That's in, it says, that's in loiter.
That's the one I done now, I promise.
Yep. Quad stabilize. I don't want to mess with the compass. FBWA. What do I say this is?
Which one's that? S...
Yep.
D or SA?
No, this
SA
one here.
is
Yep.
loiter.
Okay, maybe I've got those two mixed up. We're going to try it with this one. All right?
Yeah.
Here we go again.
Oh, Jesus.
Come on, arm. The motor's twitch.
There you go, you're armed.
Okay. So the far left one, you ready? And when I say, we're going to get some high.
You nervous?
Yeah. We're drifting a long way.
Yeah,
Can you flick that?
Yeah, right now?
Yep.
I have flicked it, there you go. Holy.
I think I'm flying.
Dude, yeah.
But it's not liking turning directions. Like I have to fight this.
Did you have you got a manual mode set up?
That's basically what I'm on now.
It looks so cool in the air.
Does it? The video is not too bad actually.
Oh yeah, I forgot we're trialing that new system as well. Double whammy.
So what's it look like in the air?
Dude, that looks so sick. Looks really stable. And quiet.
The video is pretty good. It's giving me my home directions.
Nice, nice.
I'm not feeling too bad. Like it's sort of flying by itself, if that makes sense. Like it's obviously stabilizing itself. We're a little bit windy here today.
I think that's the whole point of RG Pilot though, isn't it?
It's just doing its own missions.
Yeah, like full autonomous.
Okay, I'm gonna try and do a flyby.
Okay.
I'll increase the throttle just a little bit.
I can't see.
Wow, I'm directly out in front of us over the dam now.
Righto, filming you playing.
Yep.
Yeah, that thing looks awesome.
Big gusts of wind.
Oh yeah.
It knows where the home point is. It's pretty quiet, to be honest, once it's a little bit away.
That is insanely quiet, dude.
Oh, I want to turn. I don't want to go backwards too far.
Will you let me know if I need to reposition your VRX?
Yeah, no, we're good. Man, the video is rock solid. Like,
is it?
Amazingly so for this sort of thing. Like, I'm out here over basically up on the dam on the top of the hill right now.
Man, that thing looks awesome in the air, dude.
All right. I think I can probably fly out like past the I'm feeling confident. Is this bad that I'm out over the ocean?
Send it, mate. Sucks that you don't have a bit more, you can't get a bit more attitude in the air though.
You probably can. I'm just being a baby. Ooh, I'm looking at all the mangroves. Yeah, man, this is
Video,
cool.
all good?
Video's spotless.
What about your battery? How you going?
I can't see my battery. Oh, 24 volts.
That's a 6S Lion, hey?
Yeah.
So that'll go down, what, 15 volts?
Like 20, maybe, I think.
2.5 per cell, isn't it?
Is it 2.5?
I think so.
Okay.
I don't know. Someone in the comments tell me I'm an idiot.
Okay, I'm feeling pretty confident. Like, I need to learn a lot more when it comes to setting this thing up. But
that is such a big success, man.
What do we got here? Some dude's just fishing, getting his crab pots.
Oh, you way out over the water?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, I am going to bring it in and we're going to do that like return to home mode or whatever it is.
Okay, which one was that?
Well, I think it was...
SD's the one I just flicked for wing mode.
Yeah, no, I think
so
it's going to be the middle one on the right hand side,
SC,
whatever that is.
Yeah.
But we'll wait till we're over us and then I'll tell you what's happening in the goggles. Maybe I did just get the switches backwards.
Does it feel floaty?
A little bit. It's a little bit breezy. All right, do you want to flick that switch?
Now?
Yep.
Flicked.
It's doing return to home. I don't know what it's doing here. Is
that loiter?
No, that's return to home. So it's flying up to an altitude.
Yep.
It's like just seems to be disappearing.
Give it back
No. So I've got some faith. So now we're turning. It's coming.
Yep.
It was out over the farm. It was like it was going to disappear. Now it's for some reason over. Can you? I don't trust that. Can you flick that again?
Yep. Back up.
All right. So which one was that?
SC, the one we thought was drone wing.
Okay. This time, I want to flick the other one, if that makes sense.
The
like the
left middle?
No, the right. This one here.
Big one there, yeah.
I think. Let's see what happens if we flick that. Nothing. Okay.
Or maybe SC all the way down.
I have. Okay. Wait. Flick my quadcopter again. Flick my quadcopter switch. If that makes sense. Oh, now we just went RTL. No. What is that? This one? Yeah. Quad stabilize.
Oh, okay.
So.
That's your drone wing transition.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Now I'm going to try and bring it back. And it knows where the home point is. Let's see how we go. So if I flick, it didn't do anything. Flick SC now. Loiter. Oh geez. How do we land this? Oh God, we're going into the trees, boys. Oh. Cruise mode. I don't know, cruise mode. Oh,
I can hear it.
How do we disarm this?
Remember last time?
I can see my pool.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, but it's like still over the next doors. Returned. Come on, I want to get out of here. Oh man, this isn't good.
That doesn't sound good.
We don't know how to disarm it.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So when it had landed before,
Yeah, what did we switch before?
you flick the top right.
Yeah, but it didn't do that this time. It was like heading out there. We're in loiter mode.
Oh, battery will go flat eventually.
Can you hear it?
Oh, she's on the chip. What?
Quad stabilize mode, just disarm.
How high up are you?
We're very high, man. We're like as high.
Maybe give it a failsafe.
What do you mean?
Oh, no, don't, because then it'll try and return to home, eh?
No, it's like in the tree, man. All right, we're in loiter mode.
Can you see it?
Wire, RTL.
Jace is up there chilling, looking at it.
It's like sending them leaves and shit.
Oh, can you see it?
Yeah, kinda. Like it did a month ago.
It's still not disarming.
Yeah, let me go for a climb.
Nah, that's too high to climb.
Nah. Can't leave her up there. Or maybe we got a drone rescue mission on our hands.
Okay. Okay, well it's pointless having the goggles. Let's stop this and we'll go see if we can get it, alright?
Coming out, it's jammed in well and truly, man.
Alright, we need... Alright, so you may not be able to see this up here somewhere. Thanks very much, editing. But now Steve and I were having this discussion on how do we actually get this back. That's way too high to climb. That's where you like die.
Yeah.
It
is still an option, but...
Okay, not for me. I think maybe we fly a drone on some fishing line over it. Maybe it can like get tangled, like a little bit of a grappling hook or something, try to get it back. What do you think?
That's another option.
Okay. What else we
I
got?
don't know. I don't want to get a quad stuck in there with it,
Okay.
but...
I mean, I do have some spare drones.
Yeah,
so
yeah, I know, but...
I reckon we can do that. All right, let's go get set up.
If that doesn't work, maybe we try and get a rope or something over the branch and just shake
Oh, the
it.
whole way?
Got
Yeah, but you got to go behind the next door does.
Let's go nice and slow, let me catch up.
Yep.
Righto.
You got to tell me how I'm going.
You're not going too bad at all.
You got to direct because I can't see above me.
Yeah, come up, up.
Is there anything above
No,
me?
you're right, 2 meters. Right a little bit. Yeah, don't go up.
Right, where am I going? I can't see the thing. You have to tell me where it is.
Okay, you're gonna go basically up to
Yep.
your left, up a little bit, forward, 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 forward.
There's trees there. Or is that the branch?
No, you got another couple of meters to go. I can't see you anymore. Come right if you can. Yep, straight up. Forward a little bit. Forward, forward, forward. Oh no.
There's trees there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's like straight in front of you now, but
Is it?
yeah, it's in a fair bit. Like 2 or 3 meters. Go right, go right, go right. That wind's knocking you around, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, it just blew up as well. No, you're done, you're cooked.
It's so windy up there.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is not good. This is drone number 2. I couldn't even see the thing, like I didn't actually know where I was going, if that makes sense. Like I didn't know my direction. Alright, well let's disarm. Now let's try a bit of...
Now, one of those to go.
So where was I?
You are, see the plane?
Yep.
You can see there's this little branch just like straight in front of us. See it just up there? Hanging down now. It's blue.
Oh, I should have gone way up here and then gone in.
Yeah, the wind just took you right in that angle mode. You had no authority, yeah.
Nah. Oh. Did the drone fall? Did you watch?
No.
Okay. Well, there's now another drone right up in that tree. What we need is a bigger drone.
Well, I've got one in the car.
No.